How to find social permission settings on Pinterest. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the app. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on Settings, and you'll see the option of Social Permissions in the middle of your screen. Click on Social Permissions. So under the Social Permission settings, you can choose how others can interact with you on Pinterest and find pins you've interacted with in the past. You can choose your message settings. You can choose who can send you a message and add you to a group conversation. You can decide if you want to allow comments on your pins, filter comments on your pins, or filter comments on others' pins. You can change the settings of shopping recommendations, and you can change the settings of downloads if you want to let people download your idea pins as videos and share them to other platforms or not. You can also choose whether you want to autoplay videos on mobile data. So this is how to find social permission settings on Pinterest. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.